Hey everyone, welcome to Wednesday's Sign of the Week. I'm coming to you from our Lake Munmora office today. And over the past few weeks, we've been learning some signs for the seasons or weather signs. We've learned the sign for autumn and winter. And today we're going to do the sign for spring. So you're going to take your non-dominant hand, make a circle shape, and pop your dominant fingers through it, almost like a flower is bursting or something is growing. You'll also see this sign for grow or flower, spring. And maybe we could think of some other signs that we associate with the season spring. So in spring, the flowers grow. You might be out in your garden doing some gardening or getting your summer vegetables ready. There's also lots of babies being born. Some baby animals are often born in the springtime. The grass is greener. It's starting to get warmer as we head towards summer. Join us next week for some summertime seasons. And we've also been running a few keyword sign workshops for educators. We have a new date that's just been listed in June. So if you're interested, feel free to check out our events page on Facebook. Thanks for joining us today for Wednesday's Sign of the Week. And we look forward to signing with you next time. Bye.